Imagine waking up one day and discovering that something which should have taken humanity 20 million years was completed in 15 minutes. Not by a nation, not by an army of scientists, but by a single machine. A machine so strange it doesn't think like us, doesn't calculate like us, and doesn't even follow the same rules of reality as we do. This is not science fiction. This just happened. And what was achieved in those 15 minutes could completely rewrite the future of civilization. For decades, scientists have been trapped by a terrifying problem. Nature is too complex. The closer you zoom into reality, the more impossible it becomes to calculate. At the level of atoms, everything behaves unpredictably. Electrons don't move in neat paths. They blur. They exist in probabilities. They interfere with themselves. A molecule is not a simple object. It's a chaotic quantum storm. Trying to simulate even a single molecule perfectly using a classical computer is like trying to predict the motion of every grain of sand in a desert during a hurricane. The calculations explode beyond scale. Supercomputers choke. Estimates run into numbers larger than the number of atoms in the universe. So scientists were forced to guess, to approximate, to simplify reality just enough that a computer could survive the math. Those guesses built modern science. But they were never perfect. Drugs failed. Materials cracked. Predictions fell apart under real-world conditions. Because humanity had reached a wall. We were trying to simulate nature using machines that do not speak nature's language. Then came something entirely different. Quantum computers don't use bits that are either off or on. They use qubits that can exist as both at once. They operate in superpositions. They entangle. They occupy many possibilities in parallel. They don't step through reality one calculation at a time. They explore it simultaneously. And recently, one of these machines was given a task that classical computers could not finish before civilization itself would end. A calculation that would take nearly 20 million years, even on the world's fastest supercomputers. The quantum computer finished in 15 minutes. It did not brute force the problem. It did not grind through trillions of calculations. It simply became the system it was modeling. It allowed a quantum process to unfold inside itself, and then it measured the outcome. For the first time in history, humanity did not approximate a quantum system. We observed one directly inside a machine. Scientists watched electrons flow through exotic materials in real time. They observed quantum phase changes as they happened. They tracked the invisible forces inside matter itself. The deepest layer of reality became visible, not conceptually, not in theory, but in experiment. This changes everything. Because when you can simulate nature perfectly, you don't guess anymore. You design. You don't wonder what materials might exist. You create them inside the machine before they exist in the world. You don't test medicines blindly. You model how every atom in your body will respond before a single pill is made. You don't hope an energy system might work. You know, this is the beginning of an age where physics happens before factories, chemistry before laboratories, and medicine before disease. But this power cuts both ways. Quantum machines will one day crack today's encryption like paper. Banks, governments, armies, communications, secrets. Exposed. The same machine that can build miracles can also dismantle digital civilization. And that future is approaching faster than leaders are ready for. We are no longer dealing with faster computers. We are dealing with a new class of intelligence. Machines that don't calculate the universe. They participate in it. And when machines enter reality at its deepest level, reality itself changes. The 15 minutes you just heard about may one day be remembered like the discovery of fire. Like the first computer, like the splitting of the atom, a moment when human beings built something that pushed them permanently forward, or pushed them too far. And now, you are alive at the exact moment it began. End screen remark. You just witnessed the dawn of a new era. This channel exists to decode the future before it arrives. If you want to understand the forces shaping tomorrow, subscribe now and stay ahead of the curve. Like this video to send it further into the algorithm and further into the minds of those not ready for what's coming. And comment below the words, "Quantum has begun," if you understand that the world just changed forever. The future is no longer approaching. It has already started.